Hey guys, so today we're gonna play blox again with my friend. Anyways guys, so today we're gonna play with my friend. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna. What is this? Anyways guys, so today, anyways guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to not miss any video or videos in my channel. So guys, by the way, if you guys wanted to join my group, which is I need 25 groups. 25 members in my group. So one day I can give away Robux. I might need to give away my Robux if I just need to. Okay. I'm everywhere. So guys, back to the video. Today we're gonna find my friend Mike. And yes, he's lost and I cannot find him. So he's everywhere and he fell. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Who the heck did that? Oh. Anyways guys, so today we're gonna play my friend. Okay, I see him, I saw him. Okay. Yes. Anyways guys, so today we're going to find some new swords around the map. Okay, I need a sword, okay. So yeah, this Mike is going to help me get a new sword. Anyways guys, so guys, today he's going to help me how to get some swords, which is kind of new to me because I'm level 52 only, and I only trade for 5 or 6 or 4 days, and then I got this. So yeah, I'm getting a snow. So yeah, today we're gonna get a snow. We're gonna get some triple. It says triple? Yes, it's called triple sword. Triple katana. Sorry. Just call things my way. So anyways guys, my bot is kinda slow, so I'm gonna cut this clip for a bit. Anyways guys, we're going to continue of finding triple katana. Okay. So anyways, we gotta buy some shop. Yeah. 660? Bruh! So guys, I cannot buy this sword because I am too poor for this one. Anyways, guys, I need to buy a cheaper one. Hello there, I shall known as Death. Run. And yet he's dead, not yet. Anyways. Oh. Okay, so like, yeah. I think we should just buy the pipe. Whoa. But I only have...
Wow, galing naman rin. Galing naman rin.
Was it like this? Sky jump? What is this one? $10,000, okay. How? Wow, cool. It's a dead. I don't think like playing the same game would be like helpful for the viewers. So I think tomorrow me and Bull, aka my friend, like the other dude that we made like a bit of buildable. I think we're gonna vlog tomorrow. Leave me alone. The pigeon is gone. But why is he killing? I mean dying. Bruh, this isn't fair. Die. Okay?
May bakit ba kasi pag may kalaban, yung nababato ko, lagi talaga.
Anyways guys, this still doesn't fire! Dead. Oh, dead. Oh my gosh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I said dead. Or should it? Oh. Yes, queen. We shall fight to our death. Yeah. Got him. Shoot. Haha, you tried, but you didn't succeed. What's this snow bandit anyway? Die. Anyways, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell button to not miss any video in my channel. Because I might post daily in one day. I mean, I might post a lot of videos in one day. So, yeah. By the way, guys, maybe sometimes I won't like vlog because I have online class and sometimes modules. I think only like Filipino people knows what's happening. Oh shoot, die. It ain't dead yet. It ain't dead yet.
Oh, nag-live bro. Nag-out na.
Fire! Dead. Kill him, yeah, kill him.
Hindi na nila ina-accept RG na lang daw sila. Batak daw kalaban eh.
O, diba patay? Anyways, let's go.
Ayaw na i-accept. Ayun, ano ba?
Oh no, guys, my vlog is already in 10. Oh my gosh, I think my videos is about to like finish. So if my video is finished, and by the way, guys, if my video is already finished, please join my group, which is I just saw you guys this one, okay. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And by the way, it's free to unsubscribe if you want. It's all free. And anyways, okay guys, so I think tomorrow will be like streaming. I mean, like making a video about me and Bull playing tomorrow, I think. So yeah. I ain't dying today. Said I ain't dying today. Is he dead yet? Not yet. Is he dead yet? Bruh, I'm in combat right now. Oh my gosh. I'm done. I want Elsa. Bruh, he literally just killed me. Okay, hello there, monkey, and yes, I'm sorry. Anyways, guys, I think tomorrow me and Boo will be playing tomorrow. So I don't know what time. So like you guys can like just wait until tomorrow. Me and Boo are gonna play. So sometimes I like vlog like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 6, 8 times a day because I don't have any contact. And by the way, guys, if I hate anyways guys, if you guys know by the way, guys, my goal is to hit what is it called? Oh, my goal is to hit 1,000 like subscribers, by the way. And please subscribe. It's helping me out to get my dream to be in my goal in 1,000. But by the way, today's goal is getting 100 subscribers. So please subscribe. It will be helpful